Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about timesheets, which is really nice time tracking software. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about timesheets and also we'll peek inside it so you see what it's all about. So let's start. Timesheets.com is a cloud-based time and expense tracking solution that improves transparency, reduces overtime, and controls costs associated with payroll and billing. This system is packed with fantastic features such as human resource documentation, mileage reimbursement tracking, time of management, overtime calculations, project tracking, attendance tracking, and more. Reporting for payroll and billing is fast, easy, and flexible. You can create custom reports in which you can send to your payroll and accounting software. Employees and contractors can track their time on any computer, laptop, or mobile device, making time tracking and note-taking simple. You may set up a GPS and IP address, security solutions for team members if they are in the office or on the go. Ultimately, timesheets will enhance your business processes so you can focus on profitability. I would say they are mainly made for businesses, that being small, medium, or large ones. Every single one of them can use advantage of timesheets, and also for freelancers. And you can run it in your web browser as I'm doing right now. So let's check up the pricing so you know what it's all cost. As you can see, they have affordable pricing as they proclaim, join over 50,000 other companies, and yada yada yada. Then there is a freelancer option, standard, for $450 per user a month, and then $360 if you are a non-profit. Other than that, let's check out the free trial, and this is my first time trying it. So, if it's possible to join and Slovakia in Europe. Once we click on a free trial, there's a couple of options. Timesheets are located in California, in San Jose. So, company name, let's go with like this. Estimated users, let's go with personal use. Math number. If you click on outside, you will get rid of the columns that should only be up for US or Canadian numbers. And let's do it like this: business email, and also the password. Let's see if this number is mandatory, and we are most likely able to create ourselves a password, create ourselves an account. Security questions, middle name. Okay, let's go like this. Time zone, GMT +1, and update. Okay, next step. Track time, okay. Save and continue. And I don't really like this UI, really. This looks like it's really old. How often do you close your payroll? But it's all quite self-explanatory, if you know what I mean. Official time, it's not really what it is here, so we have to eventually change it. And hourly, click in, and right now we are Yes, we actually need to be 12. Please enter a reason. Mistake. Okay, and okay. So it should be 12:19, but still it's not. So I don't know how it actually starts. Okay, and clock out. We have to really change the time zone. So let's try and check it out. If I can change it. And where it should be. Here you can activate the subscription, quite easy. Account setting, okay, and should be somewhere around here. Okay, whatever. We are not here for that. Sorry. So in our dashboard, you see there is a couple of options of time off, human resources, and archived users. We can check the setting. We see that salaried and also the employee. There is a lot of other ladders. And I have to tell you, I'm not a really great fan of timesheets. It's all really not looking that content. Like I can give you couple of advices. For example, like when I did the timer, for example, or yeah, mostly I can refer to timer or busy. Those are beautiful UI wise, and I can see that this one's not that complicated as well, and it should be really easy to read, but it's just not working out for me at all. It's just too old. Or let's check timer, for example, where it is. Okay, busy. That I already created a couple of videos about, where you just return there and you see in here that it's somewhere else. So I would most definitely go with busy if you are constructing company, and timer if you are office company. So yeah, it's really better option in my opinion, because this I don't really like. This is in my opinion, you can have a different type of opinion, but in my opinion this is not so easy to read. And even if you click on clocked in, you are counting in the time. So yeah, I don't know. It's not officially showing you how much time has passed. You can't connect it to your tasks or another employees or work peers. And overall, I can only so far judge by the ability of reading all of the timesheets and stuff like that. And I get it, everything is tracked, but yeah, every single other time tracking app is tracking the time. Adding a user is, yeah, well, same, I would say. Approved hourly time. This is just like copy paste from some kind of very old UI. I mean, yeah, it does its job, but it looks like for older people, so they are not so lost. Also, hourly clocked out, like, yeah, okay, but you can't see it anywhere, or I'm completely blind. Also, hardly you can change this one, but I believe it's not that hard. Overall, I would advise you to look somewhere else or on something else. I don't feel it, in my opinion. It's a little bit, yeah, harder to read, harder to learn, and you don't always have a taste to look on at something like this. It just looks unfinished. If you have different opinion, please leave it underneath this video. Also, if you have different or if you have a question about how to proceed on this problem with timesheets, please let me know underneath this video and I'll try to answer as quickly as I can. Thank you guys for watching and see you around. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.